guys, today I'm gonna be cooking Pancit Canton, and we have the rice vermicelli here. And the ingredients that I'm gonna be mixing is beef steak meat and chicken. I already cooked that through instant pot for 30 minutes. And we have the onions and garlic cooking right now. And the vegetables that we're gonna be mixing is celery, red bell pepper, carrots, green beans, and of course the cabbage. So let's go ahead and start this. Okay. Since our onions and garlic is ready, we can drop the chicken and beef. Since this is already cooked, I'm gonna be using the chicken broth, and the chicken broth I'm gonna be using is the Swanson. Okay, and let's go ahead and boil this up. Okay, our meat is already boiling. We can add our fresh vegetables. We will add the carrots, beans, and celery, and red bell pepper. This Pancit Canton that I'm gonna be cooking is pretty much most of it is vegetables. So we're gonna cook our vegetables maybe just half cook. We're not gonna overcook this because you don't want to have a soggy vegetables on your pancit. And let's go ahead and add the cabbage. It's smelling delicious already. All right, we will simmer this for at least 3 to 5 minutes, but we will not let it cooked fully, just half cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and cover the pot. Okay, let's go check if our vegetables is already half cooked. Let's go ahead and stir this a little bit. So it appears to be our vegetables is already half cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this to a clean bowl. We're gonna use the broth to cook our noodles. Okay, we've got all of our ingredients out. Let's go ahead and drop our vermicelli rice. This is already been soaking up with water for 10 minutes. And I have already cut them up into an inch long, at least. Alright, we can now add the Pancit Canton, and this is the Pancit Canton we're gonna be using. So let's drop that. And now we can add soy sauce. I'm gonna be using the La Choy. This is my favorite soy sauce. You can either, if you do not want to use soy sauce, you can add salt instead. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of black pepper, and this is what I'm gonna be using. So just a little bit of black pepper. I want it a little bit spicy, just a little bit. Now we can go ahead and mix it up. All right. And now we can put the vegetable back. There we go. yummy. So just like I said, guys, this is pretty much vegetables. This is an overwhelming vegetables. Pancit Canton is not quite, you can call pancit. For me, it is more vegetables than noodles. You could use the other kind of noodles. You could use the bent thread noodles. I opt in the rice vermicelli instead. So it's up to you. And you could also use chicken bouillon, but I'm not gonna use it now because I've got my meat is already cooked in the instant pot and there's already a lot of salt, so I'm not gonna use more salt. I'm trying to use minimal salt. So anyhow, I think we are done. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and here's our finished product. And you can garnish that with onion. I have a fresh onion in my yard growing. So anyhow, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching Aurora's cooking. Bye.